Can all smartphones be used as walkie-talkies?
Hello, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into an interesting question. Can all smartphones be used as walkie-talkies? With the proliferation of smartphones and the versatility of their apps, this seems like a feasible idea. But let's dig a little deeper to find the truth.
What is a walkie-talkie?
First, let's understand what a walkie-talkie is. A walkie-talkie is a handheld, portable two-way radio transceiver. They are a point-to-point communication device, which means you can directly communicate with another device without needing an intermediary like a cell tower.
Can smartphones function as walkie-talkies?
Now, on to the main question. Can your smartphone mimic a walkie-talkie? Technically, smartphones aren't designed to work as a traditional walkie-talkie, which communicate directly over radio waves. However, there are apps available that can provide similar functionality over cellular or Wi-Fi networks. Examples include Zello, Voxer, and two-way walkie-talkie. These apps allow your smartphone to operate like a walkie-talkie to some extent, but you'll need an internet connection to make them work.
What are the limitations?
Despite the availability of these apps, there are limitations. Traditional walkie-talkies can function in areas without cell coverage or internet connectivity, such as remote outdoor locations. In contrast, a smartphone relying on an app won't work in these situations because they require a cellular signal or a Wi-Fi connection.
Are there any smartphone exceptions?
Some specific rugged smartphones come with built-in walkie-talkie functionality that uses radio frequencies, similar to traditional walkie-talkies. These are an exception rather than a rule and are designed for specific use cases, like outdoor adventure or industry work. In conclusion, while all smartphones can't be used exactly like a traditional walkie-talkie, many can mimic this functionality with the help of apps. Remember, though, that these apps come with certain limitations, such as requiring a network connection to function. We hope this video has provided clarity on this topic. Stay curious and keep exploring.